afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, I saw a post outside that said house girl needed.
Oh, that's the notice.
Yes.
What is your name?
My name is Jadi, please, sir.
Joy.
Yes.
Joy, do you know how to cook?
Very well, sir.
You can cook?
Yes.
So how many years of experience you have in cooking?
Since when they don't bomb me now, I don't cook.
She don't get the job.
You are a cook.
You are a cook. She has gotten the job.
Yes, thank you.
You don't have to fear.
All right.
I'm the firstborn, is the secondborn.
Okay.
Yes.
Before we can employ you in this house, there's 2 conditions.
Okay, what are the conditions?
Firstly, you will twerk for us.
Bam. Secondly, you will kiss us.
God beg now, tell ID.
Oh, that one the job.
No, never vex. Now work I find now.
You not get what? You dey question
No
us.
vex. No vex. No vex.
Thank you.
Let me play the song for you. Top 4. He's okay. He's okay. Continue the journey here.
He don't do.
Yeah, this office is very sweet.
Thank you very much, sir.
It's many the other condition.
Thank you very much.
The kiss. The kiss. Tell us we don't have love. We can play you.
Thank you very much, sir.
And thank me, thank God.
So when should I start, sir?
Hey, we'll call you.
We'll call you. You can go. Don't worry. We'll call you.
So when I get to come, sir? When?
Today, we'll call you. Okay?
We'll call
Thank
you.
you.
Take care.
All right, bye-bye.
Take care.
Take care.
You can go there.
My brother, we will continue to do this thing like this. We'll make heaven. Who is this?
What do you look for?
I saw a signpost outside now.
Come on, get out. Also, he's saying that we put signpost.
Get out, idiot!
Don't tell me you don't need outside again now. You people place it there now.
Now your samples.
I said get out.
Eh?
Get out! You don't not get away.
I go get out. Let me get out. I go get out.
Idiot! We are looking for house help, not criminal.
Tell him.
Woo! Thief!
Get out, you.
What is this bad luck?
You want to spoil our shine.
Afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
What is your name?
My name is Janet, sir.
Janet yo. Make I give you Janet yo. Make I give you Janet yo. Can you cook?
I guess I can prepare.
You can cook. Don't worry.
Hey, wait! Not only you there for here. I beg you. How many years experience do you have in cooking, my dear?
Like for 5 years, sir.
Oh.
45 years. You don't reach 45 years.
Of course, I'm grounded.
Oh, you're grounded.
Grounded.
Yeah.
She's grounded.
Okay. See.
The problem is that before we employ you in this house, we have 2 conditions.
Just two.
Just 2.
Just two. Firstly, you will twerk for us.
Secondly, you will kiss us.
If I do it, I'll get the job. That's just that.
You do it.
Yes.
Janet yo. Let me play the song for you. Let's go. okay. It's okay.
What is it now?
See, make I warn you. You see this thing? It's for me, myself, and I. That's why I want to employ you. Let's go.
Allow me to work for him now so I can get this job.
No, don't talk for him. See, let me tell you something. This boy is a common house sweeper. He's the one sweeping this compound. It's not only Oga Pikin, no.
Like, seriously.
Oh, Abi sweeper. Nana, you know that sweeper, Abi? You know him? Now the get man for here. Now the get man, we are nobody.
Jesus is Lord.
Now you find a bonnet.
Akio.